possibilities.
Men show. Thank God it's Friday. Embe yefida. Nti Oshonwa numbi, Oshonwa bubi, Oshonwa wibi. Zanne afi nchaleba na aso yedem nara na oto hwan. Na enda ayefida ya tasebo ade yamina da che na ebusia enda ifide nkomo Central Entertainment Show. Yebudin komo kakra yeboko entertainment world ndo entertainment industry yes na yakohwe some kra na ebemi or pipe ho ye wia we feel there Cape Coast University CCTU what chop 40 years to guru why chopping waiting fee edana na in fee edana no the medicine could be bokoro at this night na dem at this night ni mu no na ye pede ye ti won ko bakakra usana CCTV ye artist abaye menyim ho na I will be said the 10 student award boy chale they feel the vibe oh, no be easy that's I say na what they and you know what they mix or engineering Charlie or serious so yaboko campus na ye kidun ko makakra ya share CCTV at 40 anniversary celebration no ya share no ho ko motwetwe ye wi ayen adwentofo no meche musicians a wo share campus one student no no so ya bo ho komo ansa na enbiri ebezin kobo bio ewi ansade the chat show no yes that one do na emre sesare koku smoke no onye yenu abema oye kofi kinata wonwum no obia na ti bebi onam no chale oye serious kinata you overtaken na koku smoke abi overtaken badi ya nechi no don't forget that osahina no oye Shatawali on the sisare other top on enyuma odirienu no nti na so yeboye de wada ho ana we fido osande ye ko Christmas nkofu pie wiz oye new tracker owo town papa be sisare adagire nyim nti ye beti da mon kobo no na ansa na ye beti da mon kobo no ebusua mama ka wo de djumezi oye dessert gift shop when adawoma ena we so hina sinema yedi djumedi otedam no edabro dessert gift shop when adawoma no we so hina sin ma yedi djumedi yedi abro ntino awasede bi wa yemfa man na yemfa se no so bi yemfa ma oye National Petroleum Authority as use gas MP when adawoma so wakam papa badwubede yede brahum nti so atena meda ebusia yeda wase yemummo na ye na mayan kwanka de hono krato yembra yeba yede oye nkomotwetwe be wofia no da chew no yenje hono krato na yembra sisia
Mido, you're not Biana. I'm going to you about this. Every time I can say, baby, shit. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Hospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My wife.
Down Yankanawa.
Sister Kos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And wow.
Let me see your hand.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Mido, you're not Biana. I'm for you about this one every time. No, I just say baby shit. Mangashi.
Junior!
I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Kospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm used to the why. My why?
Down Yankana wa.
Sister Kos. Use to gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And
You get LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got
Eti emushia masamo akwa ba bi Coastal Television da no Central Entertainment Show number na waso na ebedu nkomo and they make say you CCTU top musicians campus what they say nya do CCTU campus munyimanye oye enyanoma wajidin lyrical na enuokra wajidin pa say AKWESI sell out. It was a vacuum Taliban 5 apo me yada ya miase na campus internet
we are record for we are record
sure sure campus you cool
we are fine we are
Saras
we are fine yamiado the mostly IB school students in Shadam band but I said this time around no anniversary in
because of anniversary campus
pull up sure pull up
go for bad government
I'm pull up
go for boy you be
I'm be feel vibe no
now AKWESI sell out I would yeshia ya bonkomo kakra ahwe 102 Morocco campus bra na yerehwe student wono nkomo bo wo ya campus won now wo school so water nyum now obeye bi the first time am na orehwa na yemisa AKWESI sell out ebe course no you CCTU na ode bo oye rap no school.
Okay, so AKWESI sell out here. Sena me papa kan no me Cape Coast Technical University students. Anya me adom sisi me wo me final year level 400. I'm here construction technology management.
Wow.
Yeah, obi we che obeka say building.
Yes.
But oba humema it's construction technology management. Yes. So that's what I do on campus. I don't know my course I'm here so far. Yeah.
So far the course now how do you mix with classroom and then studio?
Easy. Because I'm here no I'm more or less like a doctor. Because I'm a building doctor. What the biology can't pay me a doctor in this place. But I don't be I say at times I say I'm in penny for number this table class. Most of me artists see their life for me no senior de kakra but at times no class I na gentleman na dress so na your hair na say the other time I can see you but me chako for when me na account
I put you this out since I start now different because the last time they said now a square shape be but she shall not be there I don't know
so it's a mixture
moon shape be
small
Good, LYRICAL. Tell na otere.
Oh, we are recording.
Eben course na eyen wo CCTU. Wasa edefra anyu na be course na.
Oh, me tourism student or CCTU.
Wow.
Level 300.
Level 300. Tourism. Wonderful. It's a mix with classroom, lecture hall, lecture time. Because I know there some course you are no kita 3 hours it be 2 hours 3 hours 2 hours 3 hours na kasa classroom kasa lecture hall but 3 hours if we be for we na a week to be couple be the rest it shape mind na you are sane kwa another lecture na sana ba wi in your time at the studio.
Easy. There's time for everything.
Yeah.
The urban adusiana Maseo ankasa.
Wow.
Urban yamfa the yantra. Normally ankasa no anyuna ankasa talent bia.
Yeah.
Odo damna mu. Yeah. So urban dama me shada me brawo ho dam. Ti classes mo ko ono de normal mo ko mkosua ze ewia time I would them the training so na ma try. Onye easy but still no you good.
Wow. Nkofo say aya na ahunu student no won shada anya regular or class. So we want you to prove it to them there or quite there class in the attendance in your clear.
On one was it. Onye dey artist nti you know chere enko class na abi do.
Yeah.
Artist your class ankasa.
Wow. Bibia de mujimbi. Oban mesema. Oban kweza. Kweza sina bara ye bomi bi mesa bomi bi. Everything.
Bibia bi ejina.
Wow. Now, Lumisa, I read the bigger the mitten or lyrical because I know the fate today in your classroom. I didn't pay no my no papa.
Okay, from Kelvin Aqua.
Kevin. By you think that they do Kevin. You think that they do the man lyrical. So I did the middle lyrical.
Lyrical, okay. SS.
From Kevin Aqua.
Ono start to SS.
Wow.
Na SS moto enyum kakra. My singer will feel na ze.
Wow.
No what's the lyrics on so yede oyede. Nti obanam za we lyrically a monster cry. Nti one ma so mutino na mo yenu so no. De bia o ka lyrically you are good lyrically you are good. Nti why dem on for lyrical no. Na mo so mention that me nyini dem to boy no so come. No che the lyrical boy. No che one offer.
Nata lyrical boy no fight. Nta say entertainment time so na lyrical boy dinner the whole campus.
Oh, baby, honestly.
Baby ajedo. Na Kevin Payo.
Cry.
Very good. Okay, but so far Esha track ahen na bia etumere read that babano. That if you do easy one of the tracks are in future no will grow to a certain level by the time you fee or tanka university and I be for studentship no na ba public domain there be yejuma no chere you have your name there about tracks na
okay tracks in the more p Spotify and all the digital platforms
wow we want kakra me na ashoforo wonte wonka stars no doso ka we only listen doso
yeah, you know digital platforms. Search lyrical boy pet ni na abo pop up.
Wow.
I think singles na be 7. No features or those.
Wow. The handy between my titles be
okay. For now more far away no so a bad song pa.
Wow.
Na yo France no so kodo anyum pin ni na kodo.
Wow. It's a Russia, Cape Coast Technical University, 62 at 40. No more common education. Yambo says an artist nana, Yerbo to Kokaka, and Yasha baby. We finama in the tourism student. Na obo, maybe it's a hip hop and Afrobeat.
Yeah,
wonderful. It was a book share or your lyrical ne track na yaba. Asana yenye. Oye hini bema yeah sell out so ya hina bon komashema obokoro nti mayen kwere yen kwhye lyrical boy ne track ko yeah ya hwem resisi ana yentia
Mido, Ghana Biana. Ah, I'm going to fight you. You have a besu and everything. No pan. I say baby shit. Manka Chief.
Junior!
I'm saying so now for maybe the no.
Sister Kospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My wife.
Down Yankana wa.
Ah, Sister Kos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And that wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got yeah.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Mido, Ghana Biana. Ah, what for you have been so every time no pa I say baby shit. Manka Chief.
Junior!
I'm saying so now for maybe the no.
Sister Kospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My wife.
Down Yankana wa.
Ah, Sister Kos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And that wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got yeah.
It's a Samu Aquaba. Na, yourself, mother, and son, lyrical, na track, na, ni and the chino, on Sashi, your wobo track na sana. Ya wakwaya kwa na track na opio bi future no papa ansana ya fi haya ko nkomo twetwe wechi ntino mo ye mfiri na masewe ndi mara CCT at 40 na yedi no meda homotofo no de botugwa bocho frɛ na congratulations for efe former CCTU say a old student and yeah we alumni yes in Canada since 1984 no school no bobadi nti se okrobio wunnu no okrobio wankle okrobio o maame no okrobio o papa no okrobio chale ma shout out to nsu atase no congratulations nsu nti botuma frɛ ahomotofo no bugu school no do botuma frɛ na wasedo anato nkomotwetwenum na yehu akwesi yenhwe oye wo tracks a edaba abano ma bebo pere yedi na tracks no nkomo na yewechi ya enter 40 years anniversary with CCTU aba tracks damna tracks ahi no so far etume release edaba abana wa be talk about anachere sexual nkofo bebi obokobia music app bi obokobia no oye akwesi sell out.
Right, so currently let me say me ankasa me personal tracks and I say bia me nko amaye no I have about 4 of them. 4? Yeah, I have 4.
Wow.
Strong personal tracks, 4. And when it comes to my songs, I do with social life because me Afro pop. The Afro pop is a blend of Ghana hip life any from hip hop no. Yeah, so when you listen to my songs, I talk about social life. Example, I can just take something like streetism. And share the course to streets. I mean, they like I do my own kind of thing. I mean, kasi be I mean show be na yeah. So with that, currently I have 4 strong songs and then features also they be break because you see the more you are promoting yourself in the media, I'll be with me from Netherlands, Ivory Coast, Charlie. I like the way you do this, so let's collaborate and do something. So with the features I have a lot, but then my personal songs I have 4. Wow. So I have Sikabeba, which is not out yet. I have Brefie, I have Mia, I have Love Vibes, I have Energy, and you know those. Yeah, but so far no me to me aka say easy. Sabi enyanyum dodo na meye no na be che say me artist. Is the good or the goodness of what I am portraying to people and a better the level of how I think in the industry. Yeah. So I don't believe in recording plenty songs. Yes, I don't believe in that. As an artist, pay what I am learning from the media. No. Yes. I believe say at the level I made this year, no, even within a year, I can release about 3 songs. The beginning of the year.
The middle of the year.
Yes, the middle and then the end. So that I'll have enough time to promote these songs because it's not easy. Because you see right now I'm young, I'm very young and ideas no I can put in more better songs. So what's the essence say them. So I don't believe in recording plenty. So just one master song which I believe so this is perfect. Let me just push it. Yeah, that is what I do. To me recording you
so this time around when you are big promotion done.
Yeah, sure.
About
yeah, sure.
Without playing it.
Sure.
Obiante. About so Obiante. But if you're not a company shall see a promo now, within 3 months I a promo.
Sure.
You see the more young Fabi in Fire Phantom. Recently Kofi Kenata, it is finished.
Yeah.
Wabo Central Region. Both Waboni na AC. Sisi munkenda kushangana hadi everywhere you go.
Sure. Akwala
so, into the strategy na also at the fanana.
Sure. Yeah. So you are doing the music because of people. A message now they call across.
Yes.
So you can't deliver a message and you just be in your room with your boys and you know your family just listening to the song. So in a way, me can say no. But when you are working on a song, forget to say a good and as a bad. Just promote that song. Because we share, we are seeing if I fancy a bay 8 billion, we will be also a 2. The annual will be there, no, a bay will be there. So
sure.
You just work on one song, push it. If possible, try limits now, before you come back and then start with another one.
Wow.
Yeah, because funny say we are releasing 5 songs at a go.
Yes.
Undu baby or fan base, young can say me nipa be 200. And a support to show or now say instantly no fan say Shatawele release 5 into also release 5. I believe say be a 1 penna fans ni beti for no e unkwa here ujina stay now to pa nobody is going to really put in much effort to support you. But when the song is 1, that's a pushy with the right coaching and then financing and some other resources I believe you'll be able to get there.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Emsiama yankwanko share oye AKWESI na yambre na yentela AKWESI sell out. Level 300 and 400.
400.
Level 400. Building technology and construction.
Say organizer.
As organizer. Even now tell yaba busy the monko. Yaba busy the monko pa.
Sharp.
Emsiama yankwanko share bra. Aha. Well, question papa.
Because I just said now, normal friend guy, casa. Now I can say we did dog. Osha, Sane, casa. She.
Hey, I didn't work it. Hey, I could see one. Say I don't know. Why you are the follow go every day and night? My brain just could decolo. Dreaming to me, baby girl, I don't know. Why you are the follow go every day and night. My brain just go de colo. Dreaming to know until you be so cool. He said, oh, that's me. Into say one bar. Fine boy, palm into know. Dreaming be woe until you be so me more. He said, oh, that's me. Say one bar. Fine boy, palm into know. Dreaming be woe. Oh, yeah, me, you want me, yeah. What you want, I go get. See your blind, my bope. Baby, please ban you up. Baby, be my medicine. Shady any medicine. Baby, going with the totteria. Baby, be my ballerina. See what you want, I will give to you. See my body, I go dash to you. Don't be lie, I dey talk, I go make you brand new. And I promise no go dey lie. You see my baby, oh, day. You just scatter my brain, oh, see my baby, oh, day. You just scatter my brain, oh, he said, oh, that's me, oh. Inti say one bar. Fine boy, palm into me, oh. Jeremy be woe, inti you be so me more. He said, oh, that's me, oh. Say one bar. Fine boy, palm into me, oh. Jeremy be woe, be so me more. He said, oh, that's me, oh. Inti say one bar. Fine boy, palm into me, oh. Jeremy be woe, inti you be.
Yeah, it's Ebusia AKWESI XELOUT net tracking love vibes. AKWESI, why did you choose love vibes? Now, Basumaba.
Oh, now assembly and by see in this world. When you take God,
yes,
you take money, you take peace.
Yes.
The next thing you are supposed to find is love.
Wonderful.
Who is Kawasumojo? Who Nyankopon? You need to just find love.
Wow.
The love can be love from your family, love from your friends, love from, let's say, your wife, your partner, or somebody like that. So yeah, love rules in its own way. Yes.
Na paradise nam. Okitane ne chief no queens and kings. Na lekita tere na administrative love the bibia nam.
Sure.
Wow. Now let's come back to campus. Muhuni pa, is it 2024?
Yeah.
2024, 2025. No mu poster war campus.
Sure.
The will fight for SRC position organizer.
Sure.
So I'm a matter say and now we're CCTV SRC organizer. Talina Nasha not the contest not the
easy. You see, they said they are okay 24, 25 no?
Yeah.
And I'm a name say me for that prestigious position, but to that reason they meant to me and to us me step down. Yeah, I just stepped down and then I was just observing things, and then God being so good this year I just came back with more energy and then more fire, and then with grace I was able to just win the competition. It was very tight. My opponent he was my brother too, so now he wasn't my enemy or something. He's also an artist.
Wow.
He's also an engineering student. He's also a Botarian.
Hey.
So whatever I have, my brother has.
He also have
the same energy. So the competition was very tight, and then very tedious. But at the end, no, God was able to just make me a winner. So,
but that's it. Now, by lyrical, yeah, say Yaraba, say situ at 40. The investing the name of the investing wait 40 years. I mean, it's over there.
Oh, it's actually a nice thing. Like coming from maybe a mass smoke university, and we are university, and we don't know. Also, school where is he? 40 years. Oh, fine, but I actually nice, but
wow,
like the feeling is nice.
The feeling,
yeah, it's very, very
nice
because echo other schools are been one young like young for no. They'll be like, oh, yes, an anniversary, yeah, this, emotion, and we don't know. Charlie, most of them, you know. This year, most of them feeling, I'm saying,
wow, what's what them feeling? It is 60 at 40, feeling that will be too much. Okay, so now, the management. And now, Mutuma can say, SSC organized with her today, none will maybe. That is why you artist night. Now, artist night, 62 at 40, artist night. Charlie,
oh, and mums are very fire, and they be a mechanic because Uncrofuna will good no. Artists are good no. Ubian in some years, you get me. Ubian you mazo ye, see, massa. Expect nothing but the best.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It is a DJ National lyrical performance. Or better.
Oh, there's a massive performance. They are I give to them back to back. That's how it is. When it comes to performing, oh, you forget it. I had a move about yes, me as a cracker.
It was a sense of them, I share lyrical. Net tracker. Na yabena yamoshe artist night no performance no be na yewia chade yede won komo twetwe esi na yatoya another conversation do nti yankoshe lyrical the vibes ni bi yamra
break your waist and break your waist, your waist and break your waist.
She na narrow, Angelina, Carolina,
no, Lali.
She na narrow, Angelina, Carolina,
Lali, your body, no body.
She na narrow, Angelina, Carolina,
no, Lali, your body, no body. Asylum, if you just be go asylum, my baby, your bum, I know they make magic, but they rust. Kilo fat, your back in the assets. Kilo fat, I go carry for my bed. Kilo fat, no go put you for my girl. Any day go be my girl. Oh yeah, baby, your body not feeling it. They busting my brain, they killing me. Baby, make you no go winning me. Oh yeah, shake your body for me. Baby, God no go do me, Connie. Mommy, what another from money? Ekelebe, I define money. Oh yeah, shake your body for me. Baby, God no go do me, Connie. Mommy, what another from money? Ekelebe, I define money.
Aviva Jehudas and Dum, Aviva Jehudas and Dum, Aviva Jehudas and Dum.
Mabenda, Dada Yamenda, oh Bazama, Soja Yabaza, Mabenda, Dada Yamenda, baby girl, turn the button, make a bad man go crazy. Oh, baby, shake your body for me, baby girl, no go to me, Connie. Mommy, what another from Molly? Ekelebe, I define money. Oh, yeah, shake your body for me, baby girl, no go to me, Connie. Mommy, what another from Molly? Ekelebe, I define money.
Aviva Jehudas and Dum, Aviva Jehudas and Dum, Aviva Jehudas.
Oh yeah, shake your body for me, baby girl, no go to me, Connie. Mommy, what another from Molly? Ekelebe, I define money. Oh yeah, shake your body for me, baby girl, no go to me, Connie. Mommy, what another from Molly? Ekelebe, I define money.
Emsafo anyumni hit. Kese hit, yes. Ehimono obo pobeka oba mo papa. Now dem ko Facebook as me ye beji dem ko mono. Enyan ma wo hwe Facebook. Ya de homa se Pascal German. Or say sellout, I see you. Okay, we see you. We see you shop mbocho ma o sellout mbla. Lydia Pama, as wow. Lydia, but for location mine I baby I will no let us know so that you so in chontum the gua or Facebook kwamna banfo thank you prof what's your share that's all apa thanks for watching it's busia oneno na lyrical track you twenu title ni abadi
title ni Lally LELY
Lally
yeah Lally
why Lally
Lally obia na menyo ageno pa besia na menyo ageno back in SHS no na menyi ya start today ba area school no ono bande ono boko university na matne fie so matne fie kakra nti ono kwe no na nzama nshada ye papa do mu enu so I feel like most ma nzama ye na mchende no omayen show no bibia enyo ebi mchende yen show no kra no be an concentrate nti I think ni another year no na musum ko university so ko no na oba text me there oh nje isi ayo ndamo so eja nyankopon na adoma musum ko enyim kakra na oba text me oh yanson sum bra back na yen ye bibia na mchende na want to make them as a video.
Wow.
See, that's the main rationale behind
Lally. Yeah. So as we are sitting here and we are chatting, Lally is no more.
No.
Why? Why so no more why the Lally back?
Oh,
tell it to Abaka and some maybe
I feel like I feel like I'm one cause maybe I want to experience something before I put it in music. You get me?
Okay.
I feel like they be answer no more trono. Chida ma ko bibim. Nti mama ko no na mazi ya nyom no. Nti any be situation be when you that's how it is. That's how I am. But I don't know about other artists, but that's how. Yeah.
So our inspiration was and Sunny Binya and no a pass through life no.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Nti ma eti anyom na don't know a true life story.
True life.
Yeah.
Passion wo.
Yeah.
Larry, I wish this song personally play the bill because most how it is in the way in the moment now.
Oh, yeah.
Tally, hey, artist night obey you. It was Cape Costa Rica University 40 years anniversary. Student was CCTU. Lyrical, yeah, lyrical boy or level 300. Tourism. Damara ena henia oye AKWESI sellout so or level 400 student in Beka final year student ena other bo oye music no now me yen share AKWESI sellout ne another track yambra ne yaba chi yebegina oye 40 years anniversary me kire artist night no do no wa mahin ono organize on mahin crew line up no at ASORBA yes I it's by yanko AKWESI sell out in the track yamba na yaba yache do
Skop Obrami break engo yo Rami break engo yo Scorpion in the beat. I've been living my life like a rich kid, but deep down when I'm broke. I am a misogyn at ya, how time so I joke. I shot set and no, see we getting money from the console. So time me the guide you, Lord make I get the control. Maybe I'm a man, I soon some kick out every day. I know go give us to go push out all of my pay. That time now with a fight for my but now you okay. Put your hands up if you know my so Mom Brian inside. Sukuya mako yes, manyati kana ya mia. Amraba media grace, my babirana ya mia. And my baby, I did top baby, the same kick up baby, and you drive baby. I said to me, I am here. 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 Baby, me and Nyobia. Kaka wa me untina na kwesi mi mbodia anta so ma fight na fan boy mininia na ne amie me se alenka ade so ma jatu mo ma me Jordan me my me don't, I wanna say I am more than. If I pass to Dubai, but deep down, boy, I be orphan. Hey, me infinite you, me and me pass organ. My lifestyle, you know, be movie by just a be. Movie. Ube me pan, I hope say you know go see. I deep down, they bleed.
It's in hey, AKWESI sell out. Charlie, this one will be the title.
The title of this one is Mia.
Mia.
Mia, yeah, as in me. Yeah, so I'm trying to tell you that whatever happens in our life, being it good or bad, you know, yeah, understand? Because I remember school, say me brand and miss you and they miss my music.
Yeah.
So it's up to me say mention my pass it. But say my to me and pass here and yeah me mommy and me papa name me.
So it is you just share ababu mia na say wa bana there yakọ your campus here na edo ho fafra bad boys ma na inyasama oyawara. It's not a matter of who parent. Nya ho no do blame one. Nya be lectures no do blame one.
Yeah. Because we are waba no we opinion na waba.
Yes.
Yeah. Nti am say lyrical aba me ho esi chale me hu say scan bi wa mpese ye kone ye ko hot ne edi ne sika.
Sure.
Akade aye de be kone nyon no de be hye mensa. Me ana metam me de akọ. So I do whatever I want willingly. Nti papa oboni o ye me ana ma ye de. Afra ma me. Because mostly no be bibia na bonsam ne man ye na before na no.
Now artist night.
Sure.
As organizer, tell crew ni artist night. Main crew apart from I will know them. Yes, I know the plate there. Because if there in your dad work open a work. Now good I want to organize the main organizer. What you you'll be on top and then Lyrical also will be there. Sure. So apart from Mamune being campus musicians, you know, artists are here now, on board with them artist night.
Okay, you see, artists need a baby on board, but on the flyer no. With the mechanics will be understand. Okay. You see, when it comes to this kind of event organizing, I say what the flyer banner say artist was over 200 in a way.
That doesn't speak
and
well.
And flyer ni built in and stand out.
Yes.
So yes, on the flyer we have 5 main artists and then another invited guests on the flyer. But then when it comes to real life, artists ni be because personally, cause I have people from Tema, Mankesim, Swedro,
wow,
even Accra,
Charlie,
that are waiting to be on the platform to grace the occasion. The artist night in there. However we see it for now, no, you want to times 10.
Hey, serious?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. DJ, the artist night flyer, no, because I can see. Okay, you see, Little Rich.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Hey, Koyoyo, right? Yeah. Guy also or too much.
Sure.
Yeah, my Marshall Neighbor Facebook. You see for sale last week. No so very good. Yeah, no so there. They send me at the pa. And Cape Mafia. Yeah. Ogwa Treasure Council. Oh yeah, what's about that body? Mention him. Cape Mafia. Okotoperi. Champion now bring him what? That's not a problem. Because the whole Cape Mafia now a day in front of Adana.
Sure.
Who else? I told you would be would you go dama. So artist night in the day. Tell you about that date. You now main date no, my time no, main venue no.
So, all right.
Yeah, pop Adana.
So with artist night in the day, Nyamiadom is happening exactly 29th of this month, which is Ochina week. Ochina yeah, now watching, now watching, yeah.
Wow.
So it's going to start somewhere 7 p.m. But we know Ghana one time behind
yeah.
It is 7 and she says, cause artists need be doors. Yeah, artists need be doors. And now my name is Papa Kura, cause I say say nke say ade anka mrewo ma anka at yi flyer ne size no kra ne so ayem bie mu na anka ne artist no do so pa yeah
obia pene ba flyer no
obia so oba na obese so show no so my intino
wow
yeah the best ye tie for ne ya hwefo nyina Saturday 29th on pull up Okotoperi that's where I believe the whole of Cape Coast is coming to CCT. It is 7 in there. Like you for be there before the 7 because I'm sure traffic betchy.
But sharp.
Yeah.
I wish there say you will UTP before by enter you will Butubafa Academy nebu pemo or ye Eifua. Yeah, Butubafa Kakondo nebu pemo and no tale routine the P. It's no Ghana Police Service, and I know the CCTU, the management in good way the management because Saturday next week Saturday night in Pochopa and goes so being good. I don't know what by in front of main gate.
Yeah, basketball
court. Charlie, traffic in Dano, but Jamadama. Wow. Now, Lyrical. Yet come be jana mamau some few minutes, more 2 minutes, right? Na ma one so viewers. Baby was showing you now. Ubohu other musical platform in YouTube abado mahindam portion na we are invite wala guests do bia just mention their names.
Ladies and gentlemen, we go by the name Lyrical Boy. Welcome to the future of music. You can find Lyrical Boy on all the digital platforms and all the social medias. Lyrical Boy. The B is BBWOY.
Wow.
Yeah. And I want to invite each and everyone to come and let's have fun because it's going to be fire. You see me? I'm not joking. A real badness we are praying. You see what me at about man? Make the man know.
Bra. AKWESI salad. Tell you to come to Chile baby. CCT at 40. Being as organizer. Momo can invite. Don't do be a walepe. Na baby you show you my music platform ni na we are. Charlie. Well mention their names. Shout out to them. Come well sure.
So first off my songs. Which is very necessary. Utia na menso nyankopon adom metumi ade akwachi. So if you want my songs, you can find my songs on all digital platforms, even WhatsApp. AI, no, just type my name, AKWESI XELOUT. The XELOUT is spelled XELOUT. XELOUT. So everywhere, WhatsApp, Facebook, Apple Music, maybe just search AKWESI. Even Google. Just open your Google, search AKWESI XELOUT. Google bema all my videos, my songs and everything. So my songs are literally very easy to get. And then talking of the program, Charlie, Ghana, Cape Coast, and then the world and beyond. I'm taking this opportunity to invite each and everyone. You see, we have talent. In school, no, we get talent for campus. My brothers and say some of us on campus, you bet too many mainstream for na shame. Yes, like opportunity in them by. Yes. Because when I take somebody like Lyrical Boy, Lyrical bet too many, we leave the boy as shame. You understand?
Yeah.
If I koyo bet too many family as shame. If you see bet too many kukusmu as shame. Because we have that kind of potential. Just opportunity in them by my so. Since this opportunity has come, I'm urging my fellow artists, investors, presenters like Mumbra on board, come and then support. Men China and Drew and Sana by billions. They come and then all support out the brand and say you come and then watch us.
Yeah.
And our boys, so Anya should grab a you see plenty pretty ladies around and things. Maybe I can have a shout off when we are coming Saturday artist night because it's allowed. I'm inviting you guys come and then pull up and then support us with love. Thank you.
But I say it's artist night. No come to the basic na meenda ya honda yaba ye bede oye nkomo edafa oye enoke ministry hu yenkom na sisi a
break your waist and break your waist, your waist and break your waist.
She na na Angelina, Carolina,
No, no, Lali.
she na na Angelina, Carolina,
Lali, Lali. Your body, no body, body, no body.
she na na Angelina, Carolina,
No, no, Lali. Your body, no body. Asylum, if you just be go asylum, my baby, your bum bum bum, no they make my but they rust to kill off. Your back in the assets, kill off. I go carry for my bed, kill off. No go put you for my